guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. It's Rog here once again from the Gourmet Grandad Cooking Channel. And during this lovely holiday period, I'll be showing you how to cook the most fabulous glazed ham. It's going to be cooked and coated in a highly delicious and very tasty marmalade coating. I'm sure you're going to love this video. I'm sure you're going to love to make this for yourself, and I'm extra sure that you're going to enjoy it once it's done. So stay tuned and watch me all the way to the very end.
So now let me show you the ingredients that we're going to be needing for this delicious ham that we're going to do today. We're going to need some bay leaves, just 2 of these, not this whole branch, that'd be silly. This is fresh from my garden. A lovely piece of gammon joint here, and look at that, that's a good price, isn't it? We're going to need some coriander powder or seeds, some peppercorns, some cloves, about a teaspoon of each, and I've got a half a cinnamon. So we're going to kick off by putting a pan on the hob, get it on a nice high heat. We're going to boil this water. We've got about a litre in there. There's the 2 bay leaves, as I said, fresh from my garden. Then we can go in with our spices, cinnamon stick, peppercorns and cloves. In they go. Oh, don't forget the coriander, bung that in. While it's warming up, we can undo the ham. Very bargainous. Look at that. So, moving on, in that goes into the pan, which obviously hasn't got enough water in it, so we're going to top that up, just so it covers the ham. There we go, that will do. So I'm going to boil this for about 45 minutes until it reaches a cool temperature of about 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we need to pat this dry, get all the water off, and I'm going to take off this little bit of skin that might be a bit tough. Try to leave the fat on, but remove the skin, as I said. Just take it off like that, nice and neatly, and then we're going to score the outside, minding your fingers. Try and make a nice little crisscross pattern all the way around. There we go, that looks pretty cool. Now for the glaze, we're going to need some whole grain mustard. 1 teaspoon will be fine. I've got some lovely marmalade here. Try and get marmalade that hasn't got all the little bits in it. We're going to need a tablespoon of soy sauce and a tablespoon of this Liam Perrins Worcestershire sauce, just to give the glaze a bit of a kick. Now we're going to mix this glaze together in a separate bowl. In we go with the mustard, soy sauce and the Worcestershire sauce. Pop that in. Plenty of this marmalade. This is the main part. This is the bit that's really going to give it that glaze. Look, I've poked about half a jar in there. Mix this all together. And there it is. Now to glaze our pork, we'll get a little brush and we're going to go all over this. Get it in all those little crevices, work it all in, all the way around. Then we're going to take this and put it into a roasting pan. That's the pan. There's the pork. We'll give it a little touch up, just in case we've missed any. And then it's off to the oven. Now, as you know, the pork is already cooked, so we're working on the glaze. I'm going to be taking this out 2 or 3 times while it's getting glazed, just to top it up and thicken it and make it more glossy and shiny, just like this. So there we are, that's out of the oven now. It's probably taken about 20 minutes. Now we can take off the first slice. Cuts well. Delish. Look at that colour inside, beautiful. Just a few shots for you, and then it's time for a taste test.
Well, do say so myself, that is amazing. It's the most delicious glazed ham you could ever ask for. It's tasty, you can't taste the marmalade, you just taste all those flavours in there, and that lovely silky glaze is beautiful. It goes down well over this holiday period. Please try and make it for yourself. You won't be disappointed. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell too, and you'll see all my future videos and all those ones that I've made before as well. So don't forget. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.